Hello, my friends. It's allergy season again in Arizona. I feel like that happens several times a year. But I had a little request about how to use the Soothing Eye Gel. So I thought I'd share that with you today. This is my favorite product for allergy eyes, which I woke up with this morning. I don't know if you can see the redness, but so here's all you do, okay? Excuse my cuticle, but you just dip in here a little bit, and oftentimes there's enough in the lid, like it really doesn't take very much. Put a little bit on your finger, and then I apply it here and here. So I scoot it over there. And then you're just gonna tap it underneath. This is very cooling. It has in it cucumber extract and white tea extract, green tea extract. It's very soothing, and it'll take down puffiness and redness. It's safe for your eye area. And I just kind of let it soak in like that. You can even fan it, and then you feel the coolness even more. You can apply it several times a day if you feel like you need to, but it definitely takes down any puffiness that you might experience. I don't really get puffy eyes too bad, but I just get the redness and irritation. So this feels so good, so refreshing. If you're having allergy eyes, give it a try. All right, see y'all later.